Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I started making some little fabric flowers and I was like, you know what, let me pop up, make a video. And I think they're coming out really cute. To be honest with you, I kind of like the little ones more than the big one. The big one, I feel like it's too bulky. But I made a few little ones. They're coming out really cute. This is what they look like. Very shabby, very, I don't know, so soft and delicate. And super easy to make. So let me show you real quick. Okay, so these flowers are no sew. All you need is hot glue and your little bling. And I had bought these strips of fabric, oh my god, months ago. And they're there doing nothing. So I was like, you know what, let me start making little flowers. So what I did was I took a piece of fabric. So let me show you. So I took one here and I cut it in half. Okay, so though that's what this is. It's half of that one. And I'm not going to give you measurements because it all depends on how big you want your flower. But this one right there, if you want to follow the baby one, it is 11 inches. You can have it up to 12. It's fine. And the thickness is like 1 1/4. Okay. So what you want to do is flip it over and you're going to hot glue the whole edge. So you take your hot glue, which is a hot mess. Do that, a little strip. Okay. Once you do that, you take the other piece on top, fold it over, and it's going to seal your fabric. Okay. If this piece didn't seal, just more glue. Because you could do it in steps. I just hot glue the strip all together. And then you have that. So what you want to do now is the part that is not sealed, like I guess the closed part, you want to start making little slits. See? And just make a whole bunch of slits. I don't measure, I'm just cutting. I don't really measure to see the distance. I'm just cutting slits. Okay. So cut. I was going to pause the video and then do it, but just so you guys can see how really it's pretty easy and fast. Okay. All slits. Now what you want to do is start from this side here. Let me bring my hot glue gun. From this side here, which is you keeping the little ruffle part on top, hot glue, and then start turning it in, like wrapping it, I mean. You got that. Start adding your glue. So all the slits are right now on top. So keep wrapping, wrapping. Okay. And just keep wrapping. And once you get to the end, oh my god, that's when you spread out your little flower and it's so freaking cute. And you can make all colors, and this is a good way to get rid of your scraps, I guess, of fabrics that you might have laying around, because it doesn't have to be a specific size. Okay, so we're almost at the end. Keep rolling. I'm trying to do this quick. You know, clearly take your time so you don't get burned. So, done. It looks like that. Once it looks like that, I put it on the table and I flatten it. Almost like I want to get the opening in the middle. And I just flatten it. And then I take the glue gun. So there, I got the opening in the middle. So you're basically just opening, and I'm going to dab a hot glue right in the middle. So you take hot glue right in the middle, add your little dab. You take a pearl, and then just throw it in the middle. And again, I like to flatten it down. And look, you're done. And then just play with the little ruffle parts. And look how cute. Isn't it cute? Super easy. I like to take and like pull the little hairs. It makes it a little bit shabbier. But wasn't that easy? Super easy. And again, the thicker the material, the bigger the flower. All right, guys, try them out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.